If you have to use trading view on your mobile phone, you open your mobile phone, go to Play Store if you don't have it in normal this Play Store. You go to search bar, type up here, type trading view. I have it here. Search. I have trading view already installed on my phone, so no need to install. If you don't have it, you just install. Now let's go back. Now this is trading view. Open it up. Once you open trading view, this is the this stage will look like this. Now to add new coin or new pairs, tap on here to your watch list. This is your watch list. Tap here. Or if you want to add code, tap on this plus sign. You add it. Okay. I haven't already signed in, so let me sign in. Let me use Google to sign in. I already have an account with trading, so sign in. Already sign in. So here now, as you can see, each page has already been added by me before now. So basically, how to use the app is, I mean, I want to analyze BTC USDT because I'm more of a crypto trader. Tap on it, and this sign here, tap here. Got it. And tap here. Wait for this to load up and tap here. Cancel this. I don't have a premium account. Now, for you to understand the chart, this is how the chart look like. If you want to expand the chart, use your two finger, one here, one here. You expand, you expand. The chart, you can keep expanding. The length keep expanding. As you can see, I'm tapping here and here. It's expanding. As you're bringing your hand close, it's shrinking. If you're stretching your hand, the candle keep expanding. Now, assuming the size is not okay for me, vertical, you hold the same way. The same way. As you can see, I'm expanding my hand. The candle is expanding. As I'm bringing my hand together, it's shrinking. Now your tools, how to get to your tools bar. Okay, this place that is like pencil. Go here. This is your toolbar. Yeah, this trend line, this layer like continuous trend line, expandable line. Name them. I know what you want to use. Normally I use trend line to analyze, and let's analyze the chart. So I use trend line to analyze here. And you move it to where you want to start drawing your trend line. You tap on it, then hold it and expand. If you reach where you want to stop, you tap on it again. You tap on it. That is done. Now you mean I want to bring up the short or long position of the triangles. The same place. You go down, search for it. Search for it. Search for the forecasting and measurement tools here. Let me choose the short position. Just for the purpose of the video, we tap on it and expand it too. You want to put your target. Yes, yeah. That is that. Now, I mean maybe you expanded the candle and you can't get anything again. Just tap here. Tap here. Sorry. Erase. Sorry. Tap on this one that looks like shitting. Tap on it. Decide price scale. That is that for now. Now, if you want to get your now, I already have some indicators here already. So if you want to get your indicators, now for the people, let me remove some of my indicators. Tap on it to remove. Now, if you want to get indicators, the erase bar is still there. Let me remove the erase. Now, to get your indicators, you tap here, search bar, indicator. Here, you come here, indicator. You set your indicator. Let me use RSI, that's relative strength index, RSI. Relative strength index, common relative strength index indicator, relative strength index divergence. Normally I use RSI, relative strength index divergence indicator. It's been added already. Now on the free account, you can't add more than 3 indicators. So let me use volume first. So I normally use volume for my and I volume. It's already been added to my chart. You go back to tap on chart again, go back to your chart. As you can see, it's already been added. Now, to change your candle type, assuming you don't like candlesticks, still the same place. Go to candle type. Now you can see this is candle, this is bar, this is hollow candle, this is volume candle. For a free account, there are some of them that you can use. So normally I use Haknachi or the candle indicator. Yeah, this is the Haknachi indicator. And if you still want to change it back, still the same place. Tap there, candle type. Then if you want to change your time frame, tap on here. You can see 4 hours, 4H, that's 4 hours time frame. You tap on it. Sorry, you tap on it and go up. This is say 1 second, 5 seconds, 10 seconds. For a free account, there's some time frame that you can use. So you mean I want to analyze from the daily time frame. Tap on 1D, that is 1 day, that is you can see days, hours, minutes, ranges. So 1 day, the chart is onto 1 day. What else? Assuming you are on this chart now, you want to analyze another pair, you go to your watch list, get the pair. But if it's not on your watch list, because you can still use this add symbol to add to your watch list, but assuming the pair you are looking for is not on your watch list, you can still from this chart here, tap on that pair there, tap on it, it bring you to the search bar. Now one thing you should know that here on the search bar, you should As me, I want to analyze Euro USD, Euro USD, Euro pairs, bringing up Euro pairs. Now, this is all Euro pairs. As me, I want to go for the stocks or the funds, the features. You can see from it. Now let's go to forex pairs, Euro USD, Euro JPY, Euro USD from different brokers. Let me use Euro USD from FM. I tap on it now. It's not being added to my. I just tap on it. It's not being added to my watch list. As you can see, this is the pair here. I can then do my analysis and I'm okay. This is the high, this is the low. That is your measurement tool. Look at your measurement tool here. As you can see, measure the bar. That is it. One thing there's another thing now. Okay, your explorer. That is, you know what people are talking about. Sorry, the community. You know what people are talking about that particular pair. That time, as you can see, this is community. What people are saying about a pair at the same time. You can just use that for conference. You know what people think about some pairs at the moment. Then you go back to charts. Sorry, excuse me. Let's go back to charts. That's it.